rice that tastes just like biryani. It's quite easy to make with a very few ingredients. Let's start. Pour some oil. I've used the regular sunflower oil. Once the oil is hot, we add 4 cloves, 3 bay leaves, few strands of nutmeg flower and 1 star anise. We add onion. I've taken 4 medium-sized onions chopped, finely chopped. Add a little bit of salt to the onion while it's sauteing so that it gets sauteed soon. You have to saute the onion till it's golden brown. The onion is reasonably done. It's golden brown now, sauteed well. To this we add the ginger garlic paste. I've crushed ginger and garlic, 1 pod of garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger that's crushed. Saute this till the raw smell goes. We can also add 5 to 6 green chillies now. When the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes, we add around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and approximately half a teaspoon of chilli powder, red chilli powder. This is the normal red chilli powder, not Kashmiri chilli. Add a pinch of garam masala, the one that we use for biryani, the recipe of which you'll find on our channel, the garam masala video. I've used 3 medium-sized tomatoes, finely chopped. So 4 medium-sized onions, finely chopped along with 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Allow the tomatoes to get cooked, let it become slightly mushy, and then we'll add our rice. The tomatoes cooked well, it's nice and mushy. Now let's add our rice. So I have cleaned, have washed and drained 2 cups of rice. This is GTS rice, bullet rice. It's called bullet rice. It's raw rice. So the GTS rice comes out very well in biryanis and pulao. So we saute the rice along with the masala. Rice is sauteed for 5 minutes and now we pour water. For 2 cups of rice, I have taken 4 cups plus 1/4 cup of hot water. So this is boiling water. I've boiled it in the kettle. And we can add salt to taste along with this. When you're making pulao or tomato rice, we add a little more. When you're tasting it, it has to be a little more because the rice will absorb the salt. Add some more garam masala. Now we'll keep it closed. We'll keep the pressure cooker closed. On high flame, we are going to cook for 2 whistles. After the pressure has gone down, it's released completely, then we open the rice. Open the lid. The rice is ready. Fluff it up with a fork. Garnish it with fresh coriander leaves chopped. And keep it closed for another 5 to 10 minutes. Do not switch on the gas. Keep the lid on for some time and then serve. Rice is ready. We have raita and a beetroot carrot pickle to go with it.